Trondheim dates back to the 11th century and is home to Norway's largest university. Trondheim is Norway's third largest city. We tendered at the cruise port. This port did not have a little train or a hop-on bus like most of the other Norwegian ports that we've been to. It's helpful to look at a map. It's not that far to walk to the main attractions in town. It's about 1.7 kilometers, or 1 mile. It takes about 20 minutes to get to the town center, or you can just take a taxi. There are lots of shops, bars, restaurants, and museums. One of the best and most scenic places to see is the Old Town Bridge and the colorful wharf buildings along the riverfront. Trondheim's most popular attraction is Nidaros Cathedral, built on the site of St. Olaf's grave. It is the world's northernmost medieval cathedral. It was built in 1070. The center of town has a market square with a towering statue of the city's founder, Viking Olav Tryggvason. In August, they have a big food festival here.
Det første som jeg lærte da skulle være ung. Du må særlig ikke rett, kanskje være stilt i armer og. For det er ikke noe som kjent hos deg selv, er du lett som en spør.
You can try some of Norway's traditional food dishes. We tried a traditional Norwegian waffle with brown cheese and sour cream, along with coffee and pastries. It was sweet and had a caramel taste. It tastes a lot better than it looks. Munkholmen is a small island in the harbor where Vikings used to hold public executions. It later became a monastery, a fort, and a prison. Now visitors can take a ferry ride over and enjoy a picnic, go to the beach, or dine at the cafe there. On a nice day, you may want to rent kayaks, bikes, or go on a hike. It's a beautiful city that I'd love to come back and explore more of. Please subscribe for more travel tours and tips. Cheers!